O uria utaramu na uthunduri wa mitambo ya kiriu urathie na mbere kugacirithio o muthenya, noguo mamilioni ma ciana thiini wa thi maraingira ugwati-ini wa kuhahamwo na gukungirio wara kuingira maundu-ini ma urathoni. Umuthi thi yothe ikimurika makinya maria mangitacukio kugacirithia uhuthiri mwega wa nenda cia kiriu. Uthuthuria wonanitie ati ciana 6 harĩ 10 cia gatagati ka ukuru wa miaka 8 na 12 ni itunganaga na maruru thiini wa nenda cia muingi. Riri nao angi makoretwo makihahamwo kimwiri na njira ya kuhenererio matume mbica cia urathoni, mbica iria icokaga kwanikwo king'ang'a-ini.
A 2021 report by Interpol titled Disrupting Harm in Kenya showed that 70% of internet-using children were offered money or gifts in return for sexual images or videos of themselves and had their sexual images shared with others without their consent in that year alone.
Niguo kugacirithia uhuthiri mwega wa nenda cia kiriu, thirikari ni koretwo igitwarithia na mbere tabarira ya guthomithia muingi uhuthiri mwega wa nenda, tabarira iria kwa ihinda riri ikinyiire makiria ya Akenya 10,000.
In most urban and peri-urban households, many children use their parents' devices to access the internet. We must train parents and caregivers to monitor their children's online activities and engagement.
Ona kuhanoro uguo, imwe ya nditi iria ikoretwo kuo ni gukorwo gicunji kinene kia aciari matari na umenyo wa kuhuthira mitambo ya kiriu kana guthurima kiria ciana irathoma kana kuirorera thiini wa nenda cia kiriu, na uguo matingihota gukania kana gwikirira ciana mihaka uhuthiri-ini wa mitambo ya thimu kana kompyuta.
Some parents don't have capacity to even use AI or apply the tools of AI, but their children, because of schooling, have. So in fact, the kids in high school who have some knowledge of this AI are the ones teaching their parents.
Aciari angi nao makiorotwo ni kwaga wigiririki na urungiriru wa kimitugo na uguo gutambia maundu maria mareka kana kuona nenda-ini kuri ciana.
You ask the child, why are you doing this? The parent says, you are interfering with my children. These kids are coming for you. And so, you must be ready to deal with them. Don't ask the state to protect you from your own children.
If you teach your children to have online etiquette, then they will share it. If you don't teach the children correctly, the children will learn what you teach them. What they see you do is what they do.
Kuhitukira unyitaniri wa ikundi tiganite, kambuni cia ukinyaniria na honge tiganite cia thirikari, anyiti itemi ni moritio gucokaniriria meciria niguo guthugunda mitaratara ya kiwatho iria ingigitira ciana oro hamwe na Akenya othe kumana na ciiko cia kuhahamwo na gukungirio wara thiini wa nenda cia kiriu.
The first thing is that we must take responsibility as a country. We must acknowledge that we bear a legal and moral obligation to provide safer online experience for users who consume our services.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.